If your hair feels like it's stuck at the same exact length, it's because your ends are breaking off as fast as your roots are growing. Today we're fixing that, and we're turning raw avocado and a hidden miracle herb into a powerhouse whipped hair butter that stops breakage instantly.
1, 2, 3.
We're starting off with the freshly washed avocado. I'm going to cut it up, add it into a bowl, and mash it thoroughly with a spoon. I love using avocado because it's naturally rich in biotin, which is essential for growing longer, shinier, and healthier hair. Avocados act as a natural deep moisturizer and a cuticle sealant to lock out frizz. And studies show that the minerals in avocado oil, like potassium and magnesium, seal the cuticle layer to smooth out the hair shaft. Now I'm adding 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Feel free to substitute this with any hair oil you prefer. Now let's mash it up. Once you're all done mashing and it looks like this, we're now going to use the double boiler method to heat the mixture gently so we don't destroy any of the nutrients. While it's on the stove, I also added 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, but my camera didn't pick it up. Now let's address the real issue. Your hair is always growing, but if you can't retain the length, it means your ends are breaking off just as fast as it grows. Normally, you should see about 5 to 6 inches of growth a year, and if you aren't seeing that, breakage is the culprit. Once your oil looks like this, you can take it off the stove and let it cool down. Now that it's cool, I'm going to use a cheesecloth to strain the mixture. Look at how rich and vibrant this infused oil turned out. I absolutely love it. After dividing the batch, I'm taking the small portion and boosting it, starting off with some vitamin E oil. Next up, I'm adding some jojoba oil. And lastly, I'm adding some castor oil. Now let's mix it up. I'm now going to be transferring the oil into a dropper bottle. Feel free to use any clean bottle of your choice. Now I'm setting up the double boiler method once again. In a heat-proof bowl, add your solid fats. Starting off, I used a large chunk of shea butter. Then I used around 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter and 2 tablespoons of mango butter. My camera didn't capture the clip of me dropping them in, but here they all are, and I'm letting them melt down completely. Once it has completely melted, I've removed it from the stove and I'm going to let it cool by freezing it for around 15 to 20 minutes. This is what it looks like once it's out of the freezer and semi-solid. Go ahead and grab your hand mixer and start whisking the base butter first. Once your butter looks like this, go ahead and pour in the oil and whip until completely smooth. After whipping for around 5 minutes, I'm going to add in the rest of my oil. And with that, look at this texture. Don't let the bright white color fool you. This fluffy white mixture melts instantly into your strands without leaving any greasy green residue behind. This is a total life changer for your hair care routine. Now here I have a jar which I will be using to store this mixture in. You can use any clean jar or bottle of your choice. For the best results, use this treatment 3 to 4 times a week. Always remember to mist your hair with water or a leave-in spray or even clothes water before applying the butter to trap in that maximum moisture inside of the hair shaft. Now I would like to say a special thank you to Adam McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description box will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!